You think with children like those, you need a sofa like that? Me say you pick them slung in their sofa, me think of African them. Their sofa. Me say and you pick them slung. Them organized, you know. Them organized. Me say they pick them slung. TikTok liar! TikTok liar there!
Big up TikTok liar!
She don't need the fake receipt. Yes! Come here, TikTok liar. She got to delete the fake receipt. You never know. After she not have no ammunition, she come in at the war with a water gun. Me say little more she give me a Jaden pneumonia. You think a joke has a hot and cold? You can imagine. She got to delete it. Like, TikTok liar, what a way you sit down pan her. I don't blame me because a whole heap of time she sit down pan you. I did tell her, so if you keep some of the receipt, them and shoot them one, but you a lie, she spit them out all at once. Yeah, so TikTok liar, walk on. It's nice to see her ride your bicycle do a pass by. This nice here. Yes. Lord, all Dan supposed to rejoice. Dan supposed to rejoice. So, come here, TikTok liar. Dan supposed to rejoice over she don't fall, you know. Eh? Nah, Dan supposed to kick up foot and go on body. Cause she live pan down. When I tell me think them I did meet. Me think Dan did I take Queenie, you know. No, when I tell me think Dan did I take Queenie like Vanessa Williams. From a distance. No, for true. Oh, you mean play like souls? When you walk up a dinghy?
In the day again.
You don't hear Shay. Me say, but when TikTok liar come here, you don't hear Shay talk about dinghy. Me say, after me and Shay done, your man drive out and she give me the information.
After Mr. Dinghy, they know Shay.
You don't know the last function when me carry Shay. I want 9 nights. Then Shay never see that coming. Eh? Shay never see me that one her. Say Jaden did go kill her career on the app. Eh? Then TikTok liar come here now. Me say after I drop off she the 9 nights, she come back and go like she have received. Then she never says me give her what fit her. I gave her what fit her. Me say I'll ride and die. Ride and die is supposed to want to go on vacation now. Yeah man, because she could make Ride and Die walk out. As Ride and Die step out, she chat her. And no, Ride and Die can go on vacation.
So she can go on vacation?
No man, she did afraid man because she step out she. You understand me? She was giving everybody a warm time and then Queenie in the back. Just like you. You understand? Yes. So TikTok liar come here. Me know you not like mix up. But TikTok liar
mix up. TikTok liar
no,
mix up.
one thing with TikTok liar she not like mix up. That was the pre-burial. But TikTok liar come here. Me no mean flinging and not the way you not belong. But what a way you quiet skydive man. Eh? You quiet skydive man. Me can't even hear from skydive man. You shut her down here. No TikTok liar. Me say all me a clash, you know. Me think skydive man would have broke off piece of the bullock as this and a cake. You understand? I can't hear from skydive and TikTok liar. They're not so you powerful. Well, they did say you give Jaden one sweater, you know, so anything possible. You know, no.
And she love Jaden, you know, TikTok liar.
She love Jaden?
Yeah man, she love Jaden.
She better love Jaden as a big auntie, you know.
Yeah, she have him back man.
Oh, so she love Jaden.
She love Jaden.
Okay, right, you know, me that make Martin
TikTok
Black.
liar married, you know, two man married. I'm married to my husband. And I live a good life.
You know, anything at all when it comes to this, so you know, so I get weak in my knees, I can hardly speak, I lose up control. And then something
I think that liar, I'm glad you know, nobody can know you.
She said,
you will have passed enough away and we don't even know say you.
I like TikTok liar program.
I like her, man.
She just chat anybody.
I like her. She not partial.
Then TikTok liar say, Annie with one of me. You know, say Annie with one of me, but she gonna introduce him to the kids. Where's Stella Perry? Where is Stella Perry when they need me say Annie face save a foot bottom? Me say, you know, say, come here, Annie. I saw more.
Come to the man where you used to wear the dress for the maid.
Look here, me can't. Me no which number that? See there? Come here. Annie, I saw more to ask you.
You reach. What you want? Alright. Hey guys. Hello. Good afternoon. I'm mommy. What time now? Alright, so guys, I think I'm supposed to familiar with my partner, right? So guys, I'm officially moving with us. I'm officially moving.
You are moving?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So guys, say hi to Shamar. Shamar, hi to the kids.
Hello, Shamar.
So, you think with children like those, you need a sofa like that? I say you pick them sitting in their sofa, I think of African them. Their sofa. I say Annie pick them sitting. Them organized, you know. Them organized. I say they pick them sitting in their sofa, I think it's an African movie. I think of Blood Sister. No, nobody not see a video. And then the man was.
So the man, so interviews man.
Oh Lord, I say you need the footage. Where's Tyler Perry when you need Mr. Annie, I'm gonna make it in a Mr. Annie, you have to make it. If she don't make it now, she gonna make it in a casket. You know, so she gonna make it. Me say when you see Annie knock the door and then
Annie will want some cool and
when Annie do the skit, you know, I say, yeah, Annie, oh my God, people, this one is real. All of them real, Annie. Hey, where Annie find them madman here? Where Annie find them madman here?
you see the man locks in them in.
Me say, no man, you see young boy?
Nice.
You know see young boy?
The rest of one?
Me not one little young boy.
So the rest of one is there with.
Then me not see them up put them somebody at the wig pan TikTok police head.
I do what?
Wig.
What are you gonna do? So we deal with them. How are you dealing with them?
Real or AI?
Another AI. Mr. TikTok police advertise with, you know, man, Jesus have mercy. Father, me I tell you, God, me say, you see, you're righteous, you know, God. Me say, when I look, oh Lord, deliver me. Me say, them a cut up TikTok police head, you know, and she sit down, the lady sit down, you know.
Yeah.
The lady sit down and I go, why me I tell you, Jamaica mash up. Jamaica mash right up. Yeah, for sure. And then, yeah, Annie, guys, that time the boy, they out there wait for Annie don't talk. And the people, they must signal him when for walking, because Maddie have video Annie. And Annie say, my boyfriend is coming here today. You understand me?
Well, one thing that you do, she can show fair people, my man.
Well, everybody, and the people supposed to full of fingerprints, you know? Yeah, if police want.
Them now the 2 months or 3 months, you know.
You're mad. Something money for farmer.
Then I see.
No, for sure. No, you want something the boy draw the suitcase like a stone in it. You know,
I go buy you.
And nothing in a suitcase, you know.
I go buy you.
Mr. Annie have some actress there. And you change more than she change her bed sheet. No, for sure. And the little front one book cover for Fanny.
Cool and
yeah, man.
Cool and throw that man.
Yeah, she will live in a river. And you want warm down. For sure. Not tell no lie.
And you need Jesus, man.
Then what this thing? Then tell me something. Figure it out, Ivan left already. Me not like talk to my mind, you know, because my mind mix up. Figure it out, Ivan left already. No, my mind not talk to me. Me not like all them relationship, you just a cut shots, so, you know.
Yeah, well,
you think a joke? Them gone back together. Oh. figure it out, they say it's my mad diamond. And them say figure it out, drop down. Them say figure it out have to take meds.
Let's just
Me can't stress out, figure it out. Figure it out, come with your own stress after not today, figure it out and take meds. What about that syrup? But you see how me get caught in a mix up? And when me hear, Lord have mercy. No man. Hypocrite and parasite, we don't want them around. Once in me feel like I can't come pursue me. Limit them things.
But friend, it was here killing.
They must have kidding. Them I know I work, you know. And them are busy up here, Jaden, man. You know, so them have the gift of hospitality. Yeah, and them are supposed to be around him. Comes what may. Comes what. You see, Ivani, man. You see, Ivani. Them did say Ivani across, you know. You know, Ivani going on them life and no figure it out of faint. Me never see this yet. Because the internet has stressed me out, you know.
Yeah.
And I tell me I feel dilute my body. And them are busy arguing with Jaden. Hey boy, Jaden! Jaden! Hey, it's so cold! Hey boy, Jaden! Daima, figure it out needed now more than ever. Figure it out that shrimp stick and him knows that enough river. What wrong with him, man? What wrong with him? And look how the four of them could have there. Rosalie, because I don't know which part she there, you know. Them could have there and she though. Why them a throw out by each other here? Me say when me see it, no one cry.
Why Rosalie don't come back over the fit you?
She go run left Nessa.
Rosalie over the fit you, Rosalie girl.
Let me ask you something.
Over the fit, Rosalie.
After all the money that Cheryl sent to Nessa to prosecute Rosalie, you gonna tell me that Rosalie would really leave something like that?
Of course.
You must be dreaming.
Rosalie over the fit you anyway.
You gotta come back. You gotta come back. Don't follow gunmanship. You gotta come back. Nessa ain't taking this lightly.
Go, Rosalie, go.
Don't. But look how Jakes get turned down with the visa here. Rosalie just a fly up and down, so it kinda hurt me. I think it's Maya call up Jake's name at embassy because of she get through.
Maya get her visa?
Yes.
Nice.
Maya get her 10-year and TJ back.
Shot TJ.
You see the coach with them by the blow up something
Nice.
and TJ jumping at it.
Nice.
Maya nah bother left him, you know. Maya
New house, you know?
Yeah, them get new house.
Maya don't left your man.
Why am I not in the
Don't left your man. What I don't see her no leave.
Right in if TJ
Give me the island look because I'm afraid to touch your meat.
if TJ takes me in, I'm not in the line, me that encourage Maya for left him.
Maya don't left your man.
Yeah. Maya, if you want to leave him for us, you can. That is just if you want to leave him for us. Yeah. You know, because TJ walk with something, you know. TJ walk with something. Why Maya, a moment of silence for that because that look like it mash up home. That look like it mash up home, man. TJ walk with something for true. Well, you say TJ walk with the Walter PKK Saturday night special and unfair. Me say if I one pop that have on it bus quick, me da vex. That forgot on and 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 on.
And that's why 25 beat the kind like
And the point was that a fight and a pay for something me hear say little.
Jesus.
Well, little is much when God is in it. Me say when me say little was that in a bubble bath me a cup. And the bubble bath now but the bubble. Charlie Volley per life, Mexico.
I like that.
By the time Rosalie come back she can't say but she very
I like that.
what language Mexico speak. It's a $30 million a year. 30 million, see there, Nessa, see $30 million there. Oh, shall I say bonjour, monsieur? You don't know what is Spanish.
Rosalie gonna live life. Rosalie, they are 80.
At 80, Rosalie, then just drop the case. Drop the case at 80, drop it. At 80.
They say better leave it alone, because 80, Rosalie there.
Come. Me tell you Nessa. Me tell you Nessa. You see Rosalie and Akima fly up and down and how much river them go? Eh? Nessa drop the case. Jesus. Nessa, me I look out for you. Drop it.
They say you're not with ya.
I see something coming. Nessa, I see something coming. People stop give a big foot. People stop give a big foot. Nessa, them a give a big hole. Nessa low, ho, ho, ho. Nessa picking up something. I'm picking up something, Nessa. Oh, I see Rosalie talking to a man in have no face. Yeah. Well, and Nessa, something coming to me. Come out of the way now. She talk to the man. What is that she giving the
Nessa,
man?
leave it.
She give the man something, Nessa. Okay. Photograph. Who's that? I saw Cheryl look. See her name is Cheryl Jakes. Watch Nessa in the middle. At the radio she really saying. At the radio she saying Nessa. Yeah. She give the man the picture. Oh, the man put it in his face for him not have. Oh, him ask her where you want. What you want to be done to Nessa. To be continued. To be continued, Nessa. I not get that part there. Nessa, watch yourself, Nessa. Drop it. Drop it, Nessa. Watch where you go. Yeah. Watch where you go from now on. Yeah. Nessa can't wait. At the $30 million Nessa one?
Can't wait.
What do you mean she can't win it?
Can't wait.
Yeah. Nessa can't win?
Can't win.
No ramp with Nessa, she determined. She determined. Yeah, Auntie Bass never see them something here. Yeah?
Auntie Bass, man. You should come tell Nessa. So leave it alone.
Yeah. Rosalie, yeah, bad me now. Now give me no more message she give Nessa, Rosalie. Now give me no more message.
Nessa! Say me like till Nessa come out and say Rosalie gone and chip and she go and remember she have to report and she have to
Rosalie look like she business?
Nessa, Rosalie thing now.
After Rosalie in a business. Rosalie in a business. When you don't big up Rosalie, she's supposed to adhere to the rules. I lie, I do it fair. Me yesterday them running out of court right there.
Lie them a tell.
And so me here, you know, so we only can go for hearsay. We only can go for hearsay, my love. Them say I lie, Ice Queen say I lie. Oh. No man, the audience are mixed tonight. Some depend Nessa side and some depend Rosalie side. Look here at this, get me in a mix up with she and Jaden. Who not come over here with it? Then she be skin cleaning. Now Rosalie did say me have AIDS. And Rosalie did say me have AIDS and is a granny lay down with it in her house. Yeah. Is a granny lay down with it in the house, my love. And she did say it and never me. Yeah. Me need Shebada. Bag. Only a stretch, my love. You know, so when make she a start the summer, and when she say K1 coming out with Shana Chin, and when just a pushing she, every day you pushing she. You know why you don't know them, you know?
Shana Chin, one of the bag them.
So Shana Chin supposed to get anything to stay relevant. If she waste so much money on K, man, she can't buy something from K and burn it up. And the fact that K come on the internet and almost want to speak in tongues. I'm tired of it, I'm tired of the demon them are spread. Tired of the demon, them a spread, man.
So why did she buy the bag and end up money for?
She can't do anything, it's the internet. You gotta build contents. The land of fiends of them come from the river where Rosalie nearly wash rash drop. Eh? And him faint and him have to carry him from the back to hospital. And then him recover. And then him come back now and eat seafood.
And the light.
Yeah.
A paper.
Yeah, it's the internet. Yeah. It's like, let me tell you what me never respect about K delivery. It's like you're glad Shana Chin buy the bag and do it so.
Oh.
So you get something to talk about. And the way, even some of the case, it's a content for you.
I mean, no, when you put on the bag,
Me not even appear mind. Whatever your issue.
Remember your money by them, you know.
Good. Whatever you're issuing, I am not buying. You get what I say? So if you want to purchase and then
And your business, I can burn it.
come
I don't
on.
need to lose.
That me wanna know. Yeah. Me can't bother with the foolery. Me can't bother with the foolery. It is just stupid to me, honestly. And simple things like these, you understand me? Cause one big mayhem on the app. If you realize. If my enemy want to come watch my show and burn my show ticket, it has nothing to do with me.
Me want to collect my money.
You see, sometimes, and me not say this is K really, you know. I'm not saying this is K, quote me correctly. I'm not saying this is K, but I'm going to use an example. You see, sometimes, when we know we don't build with business, honestly, we tend to watch everything that people do and call it witchcraft. You get what I say? That is most of our problem. That is most of us problem. You know, when we not build, if you build your things honestly, your business honestly, you not have people not understand what it's like to build a business honestly.
Honestly.
You understand?
I have no fear.
Not because people that do this, you're supposed to do it. Not because a man hurt you, you're supposed to hurt anybody. You're supposed to build your business honestly. You understand me? So when you not build your business honestly, you look for every little thing. If somebody pass and cough your ear, say, oh, yeah. Eh? Exactly. The funny part of life, you know, is this. If we ever wonder and understand how demons have some way at prayer, so because a lot of us believe that, we know, we understand the spirit or the energy that is operating around us. And that makes no for we come on the internet and degrade ourselves and belittle ourselves, still being a sacrifice. You understand me? For witchcraft, while causing witchcraft. It's true. You can't do that, man. You cannot do that. Me not carry K go in a summer. And this is something that K needs to understand. But some of us have some energy where we like company, we like code, we like mix up, or we like bravery, and we just like when somebody says something about we or do something to it via the internet. First time we would never have so much argument in a one community if 5 people have said bad things about we. We'd never have so much argument. 4 of which we not hear and we not care. And it's just the truth. And when them loving the attention will bounce back in your face negatively. It's true. Rest it. Rest Shana.
That's something we have to just make it warm.
Because the more you pay Shana mind is the more Shana see more than you. And people not telling you that. Because you're giving the child your position and your energy. Shana have to do this to stay relevant because Shana is booted out of the camp. Remember Gully Bop, we know Shana for there with, you know. So we don't know how you feel take. Then Shana put a class, me and me follow up Shana Chin. You know, so what me say and done. So. Yeah. It's just stupid. It is stupid. And it's not like say you talk in a fashionable manner where you know say, girl, you do all of that and it not bother me. But anyways, buy 2 more. You know them way there? For sure that you're in control. You keep expressing yourself as if everything we Shana do hurt her. It's true. You can't make your enemy know so them can't joke you. Me say if Shana piss out a road, it bun came. Me say them can report that like they say. No, it's true. If Shana piss out a door, it burn K, and that is the part where K not understanding. Girl, sarcasm. No, it's true. Una give something. Let me tell you something. I know the power that I give to people. If you understand what I say. I know the power I give to people. And I know how far to push them and how to take them back. You know why? Because I'm not seeking validation or any form of attention from the internet. That is why I don't need to sit up on the internet for 13 hours and feel as if I exist. You understand me? Me not have to do that. And at that much, you think most of, let me say this to most of the TikTokers. You think most of we have respect outside TikTok? Most of we not have respect outside of TikTok, you know? Whether we want to hear about it, yes or no, the most we can do is go in the inner crowd of TikTok and the outside to feel normal. Am I lying? Most of us don't have any form of recognition other than TikTok. No respect. You never know. Because I don't want to say we, but most of you are not known for anything. They must say Shana takes K phone. So what? So what? So what? Shana takes K phone, so what? K Wonder Man? Unless K Wonder Man, Shana texting K's phone would affect K. Allow me to tell. I'm laugh off of that. Because you're in control, you're still not getting the in control part. A lot of us fall prey because we give up our control. You never know. You have to know when some argument can last far, and you have to know when to cut some argument short. This is not necessary. This is not necessary. Exactly, sarcasm. You can't have your energy a fling with so, a fling with so, a fling with so. You can't. You cannot. If you notice the internet, everybody come together, fall apart. Yeah. Akeem and Figure It Out come here together and they are no more. You understand me? Then put Diamond and Rose together, they are no more. Everybody that came on the internet together, they are of no more. World Dog and Swissley, no more. What does that say? People are snatching people's energy. You never know that. If you look on TikTok, you see crab in a barrel. If you look on TikTok, you see that season here. Crab season. If a gift that come over your life is a problem, you never know. This is how the market is. This is how the market is. If you want to make it on TikTok, disgrace yourself. Disgrace yourself if you want to make it on TikTok, Roxanne, my baby. Testing what happen? Anyhow you want to disgrace yourself, just come on TikTok and you make it. You number one on the podium. Number one. And if you're making it on the internet, somebody is there to fight you down. Somebody is there to attach themselves to you with an energy and they don't mean you good. Jesus have mercy. Me say, if you have headaches come right now, that you there and start blaze on the app, you find World Dog, Swissly, everybody attach themselves to them. And then them so happy for the recognition. Because them mania the foundation, like me hear Able Boss I say, you know, respect, you know, the people that will deserve respect on the app. Owie and Nisha, and because them do a lot, let me say this, none of them not deserve no respect, and it a go hurt no for uno. None of uno will come on the app after Prince Money don't deserve any respect. None of uno and a legend, and uno do nothing for nobody. Alright, me go talk it now. Me there longer than the whole of uno, and me watch uno come on the app and attach uno self to people. None of uno has never done anything for anybody on the app. Me watch when uno come how we used to be on YouTube. And me talk about the cooking couple. Me talk about the cooking couple. Where were you, Abel? I gave them the name the cooking couple. Me tell you, say, you just sit down and chat a bag of shit. You not help nobody. Me see you come collectively and fight against one another. Me watch that with my 2 eye. Eh? Enough people don't know that and remember that. That is why it pained me when me see how it changed for the coins. It pained me. Not for uno jump on board and not for uno never support them yet. Not even with a like. Not even for go over YouTube and subscribe. A lot of you, that's why it pain me when we see how we take up phone of fashion. And uno walk and talk, say me hate the boy and me hate the family. And when Nisha do, it pain me. It hurts because them a come from a humble beginning. They might come from a place when little was much, when God was in it for them. But it's when I make mention and people start go over there, this is what I want to do. I want to attach on yourself to all of the people. I want to attach on yourself to the people and want to see a bloom. I want to attach on yourself to the people and want to see a bloom. I remember with Jaden, Jesus have mercy, Jesus have mercy. I remember with Jaden, a lot of you wanna just discover who Jaden is. Sorry, thank you for the F1 people. I remember with Jaden, you see that little youth? May I tell you why I like Jaden. And enough people think say I love of Jaden and I want Jaden for their will, you know? And they won't understand. You see, Jaden, if anybody follow up my program from the get-go, I dip on my program from long before Jaden even make a name. You see, Jaden, I remember when Jaden always try to enough up in a people, and everywhere you look, Jaden get rejected. Jaden got rejected. My opinion, you remember? The key with Jaden play with Destiny, him not get no knowings. The key with Jaden do, him not get no knowings. The key what I go on, Jaden not get no knowings. Yes, when I spoke about how much I love Jaden. Yes, when I spoke about how much I love Jaden. I remember when we dip on my program and I say, you see that little youth? And we talk some things about Jaden. I remember from this on, everybody gravitate to Jaden, and I stand up and I say the same Zandrama. As Jaden arise, Zandrama try to tear down Jaden. Nobody would never give Jaden the slightest highlight. Nobody, they dog that youth. Them talk some disrespectful way about that youth. Even in friends, even person. Jaden just always being rejected. Me now ask you, as him come to cure them smile with him, them ready for reject him. I am telling you, I'm always still gonna watch Jaden and look beyond him. I'm gonna watch Jaden, so I'm gonna watch Jaden so. And I remember when everybody cussed me on my program and say why me like him. You remember? All you used to cuss me and say what about Jaden? Every minute you come here and chat about Jaden. And I say no man, that you they are gonna make it. I lie me I tell, me say him are gonna make it. Yeah, every single time. Exactly, sister Winnie said there. Sister Winnie said there. Me tell you, so enough people.
I used to say to yourself, no, the man is
him not have no man. I say no. I say no, I'm a holy manners. I say let me tell you something about him. I say him shy and that is not him.
Yeah.
Him use everything when people throw at him and him just make it fun.
And then say this is Jaden in person also. He's there.
Yeah.
You shy too much.
And that them say, I'm not telling a lie. I'm not telling a whole heap of cussing me take. A lie me I tell. Whole heap of cussing. Everybody say, I hate him, and I say, love him, I love him. I'm my own. It's true. So you see, these people on the app, them only know you when you reach at a level. Am I lying? And when you reach at a level, them know you. None of them now use them program and push you. Me ever say something, it might not sit well, we don't know, but we don't want it to sit well. Wanna notice, say, from World Dog and Swissley is not prominent on the app. You have a lot of TikTokers that you really can enjoy. New TikTokers, am I lying? You have a lot of new TikTokers that you really can enjoy. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. No, if you, all right. Who remember when we used to class Swissley and World Dog? And so now come out of the way and make new rankers come up, man. You remember that? Me used to class them and say, come out of the way, man. You go like you want to dominate the app. Make new rankers come up. Okay. Now wanna say, you have a lot of new rankers. Oh, Lord God, they might report the life. You have a lot of new rankers who really enjoy what a lion feels like.
F1.
You have a lot of new rankers where enjoy what whale feel like. You know, money gone. Them people here couldn't get it. Them people here where you sit today there, when you see Krabby out a road. I lie? You want one more beer? One more beer! When you see Krabby out a road, talk truth. Eh? You see everybody a showcase now. What you getting? What's the understanding you're getting from that? Everybody feel bold enough now to come and lie because if you're evil, $5 them are gonna come off with because they can get it now. Thank you, Mosent. You know, they can get it now. And that you understand. Enough people are gatekeeper, and when we talk about it, when they able boss the whole of them come up with a lot of distraction when unnecessary. But now you can get everybody. Me say sometimes when I scroll, you see money gonna fly upon some people. You see some boys sit down, you don't even know them, but you see some people gifting them, and they must say yes. These are some no-names individual who feel as if them have a name on TikTok. That is what you call unity. And on a World Cup forget people money. That is what you call unity. When you see new people that come up with different creation, different idea. One youth a river, like him not have no clothes, him wash every day. You understand me?
I want to cook down there too?
No, the one we wash.
What do you want to cook down there? We never see a cook.
No, I don't know him. Me say every time I pass by him, something I feel watch him. Me say, no man, the boy, Jesus, him have no clothes. Every minute him a wash. And you can see him enjoy, we do him enjoy film culture, film experience, film lifestyle. It is beautiful. Yeah, my friend tell me say one day they were cooked too. It's beautiful. Others out there can get help. Them voice can be heard. Tony and sell a mango them. You know how beautiful that look? She said, me a come. You know,
And she cook a night time to
and she cook.
Late part,
Tony and must have nightmares. Feel late part.
late part.
She love her cook food though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, but say, you know, all of these people, they are not overshadowed by any of us. And it's just the truth. Me remember when them TikTok like you couldn't hold not even 200 people on our program good. I remember. Me remember because you have all of these people come up with them fandangles to captivate people and capture people and no want people go nowhere else. Oh, she talks about it. Can't believe Tony and not strain me. Tony and I give a boss in my throat. No, it's true. These people can't really survive. You don't have to feel guilty. I go pan none of them program and I send them one post. Me say something when I pass and me say Akeem them a dance. You know? Them just a dance all the entire day. And me say, look at that. Look at that. Them young boy with the outer road and one next boy a draw with them bottom of them body. You know, fair thing. No, it's true. No, you can't come up and you can't say, oh, me not have to do certain things to get certain things, you know. Since me no want to work, you know. Me go and see if me can entertain some people. You know them where they, these are people, these are persons who really feel as if they have a sense of belonging. You know, them feel belong, you know, like you belong somewhere. Me say the cutest thing of a Switzerland World Dog be quiet. Me say from World Dog Talk, say him have some barrel for send with trucks and take she money too.
She.
Yeah, take all she money and wickedness. We're wicked. We are evil. We are very evil. And wickedness. We're very evil. And guess what? Everything that you do, you still have sorrows. Nothing has changed. Everything with them ever do or get off of the app, nothing has changed. At the same way. And it's just the truth. We're wicked. So when them say TikTok not nice again, who really mash up TikTok? When you see Abel skin out him chandelier for get money from Louise. You understand me? Who really mash up TikTok? And then Abel come back now at about say, you know the people that deserve respect on the app is no, because you never promote nobody. Abel, if you never mash up, you would not do this. True or false? Abel, come here. You know, say if you never fall off and drop by your fire, you would not do this. You would never give flowers to anybody. Remember, oh, you are king of the app. You remember them, you say, oh, me I come back from my position. Me just give them time for go and run it out. Let me drink some more of the beer again.
But you're not drinking. You're not drinking here?
Able with the curtain.
Trying to get more up tonight.
Yeah, for sure. So you can come now and talk and love talk about say who are the funniest and who are the, none of them are funny on the app. God believe me, and none of them are content creator. Most of them are thief. The only content creator who there here is Jaden. And people are going to say me I play hypocrite, but let me tell you why. Him alone can put on a prank and it sell.
It sells.
True or false?
True.
And one content creator there and it's Jaden. Him alone can put on a prank and it sell. let me tell you something. You see, from Swiss League to able to Lando to World Dog to other Uno, you know, say I waste Uno did waste people time and money. You know, say Jaden is a real goat. Jaden is a real goat. Jaden use the seriousness of situation and clown out everybody on the app. You don't see it? When the whole I wanna did sit down and go like on a real goat. No, Jaden is the real goat. The real G-O-A-T goat. On the app, me now ask you, what due to Caesar you give to Caesar? Jaden are the only one where Messi has not changed his form. No, it's true, it's just a fact. It's just a fact. A whole heap of them here say them a content creator, so till them a influencer, so till them a this, so till them a that. Jaden is a nobody. Allow me to tell, he's a nobody and it's working well for him. Now I'm gonna ask you. He have no mother, no father, so it's easy for him. Yeah, it's true. Jaden deserves his flowers. When World Dog come out and say my king of the app, king of what? You see, notice back in a World Dog time and now in a film time, World Dog did have to beg. It's easy for Jaden.
Jaden can somebody and say, dirty people in our shorts.
It's easy for Jaden. No, for true. No, when we say he's not begging, you know, you gotta always beg, don't. But we're not talking like that, my baby. And I like that we are talking, my baby. No, no misconstrue what me say. And I like that we are talking. Because we don't say all of them beg. It's not like me I say Jaden not beg for that. But what I'm saying, when you make the comparison with World Dog and then and Jaden now, it's much more easier for Jaden than it was for World Dog then. Remember, World Dog never manipulate the internet with stories and then manipulate people's pockets. You know, remember, manipulate people's pockets. That's the difference when you manipulate a man's pocket. You get me? But you see, the best thing not all of this that me I try to say is that we're not for right half people. We're not for right half people because you never know who will be above you. The position where you're at, it will not always be yours, whether you're low or whether you're high. Because Jaden come from the back, where woman used to despise him and now girl are running down. It says something. People used to reject him and now they accept him. It says something. It is very profound. You understand? And when I sit here and I said, everybody have them season. And if this season is Jaden's season, let him ride out in storm. And if him end product forbid a demise, or if he be happily ever after, let it be. You understand me? The thing about we on the app is that we like to tear down success.